All right, my first graders, we are going over nouns again, but we're going to talk about a different type of noun today. But let's just review what a noun is. You ready? A noun names a person, a place, or a thing, and that thing could also be an animal. So today we're going to take a look at nouns, and we're going to talk about possessive nouns. Possessive nouns means nouns that show ownership. For example, this is my marker, right? And if you were to put it in a sentence, you may call this Mrs. Bell's marker. This marker belongs to me, okay? This is my son's pencil, so it would be Logan's pencil. The pencil belongs to him. So we're going to look closely today at possessive nouns. Okay, my writers. So these are our nouns. So we have some people, we have places, we have things, and animals. So today we're going to talk about possessive nouns. Possessive nouns are nouns that show ownership. When someone or something owns something, it means that they possess it. Okay, it's another word for possess, or they own. So we're going to use possessive nouns to show ownership. So let's take a look at this top picture. We have those two girls. So we could say this girl has a ball, right? Instead of saying the girl has a ball, we could say it's the girl's ball. And so I would take the word girl and I'm going to put an apostrophe. Apostrophe is kind of like a backwards C in the air. And then I'm going to put the letter S. The girl's ball. That means the ball belongs to the girl. The girl owns that ball. So the girl's ball. So I take the word girl, which is a noun, and I add an apostrophe S to show that she owns something. Usually the word right after it is what is owned. Here's a teacher. He has a book in his hand. Instead of saying the book belongs to the teacher, I could say it's the teacher's book. So I add the apostrophe S. The teacher's book. That means the book belongs to the teacher. This apostrophe S is telling me that that belongs to the teacher. Okay. Now we can also do that with our plural nouns. This guy is named, his name is Tim. So this is Tim's tie. So apostrophe S, Tim's, okay, showing that this noun has ownership of the tie. Tim's tie. Okay, so that we add the apostrophe S to the noun to show ownership. Makes it a possessive noun. Okay, so here is a school. Here's a bell up there. So the bell belongs to the school. So I would say it's the school's bell. Squeeze it in there. Okay, so the apostrophe S means that the school is showing ownership. It possesses the bell. So it makes this a possessive noun, showing ownership. This is a park. Okay, the park has a tree. So it's the park's tree. So I'm putting an apostrophe S. That's showing ownership of the tree. Remember, possessive nouns show ownership. Okay, and then again with a proper noun, Walmart. It's the name of this store, Walmart. So if Walmart owns something like Walmart's window, I would add an apostrophe S. Walmart's window. The apostrophe S shows ownership. It shows that Walmart, the noun, owns something. I'm going to lower this down so you can see our last ones here at the bottom where we have our things. Here's a ball. Okay, the ball has spots. So we'll say the ball's spots. Means the spots belong to the ball. Okay. Here is a cat. That's our noun. Okay. If we want to show ownership, maybe the cat's tail. So we would say the cat's, apostrophe S to show ownership, tail. The tail belongs to the cat. He owns the cat, or I'm sorry, he owns the tail. So it's the cat's tail. Okay, that apostrophe S makes it a possessive noun and shows ownership. All right, our last one, Spot. That's the name of this dog. Makes it a plural. It makes it a proper noun, showing the name. Proper noun, Spot, the name of the dog. Spot can own something. Spot's bone. Maybe he has a bone. So Spot's bone means he owns the bone. It belongs to him. Spots. So just as a review before we get going on our activity, these are possessive nouns. Possessive nouns show ownership. We make it a possessive noun by adding an apostrophe S. It shows ownership. So girl, our noun, went to a possessive noun by adding an apostrophe S. Girl's ball means that this girl owns the ball. Teacher's book means the teacher owns the book. Okay, so again, we add apostrophe S to make it a possessive noun. It shows ownership.